Hello everyone, today I will show you some settings that I would disable in Google Park so that my smartphone really works well, does not slow down, opens everything quickly, and I do not worry about its performance. Now I will tell you everything and show you. Be sure to support the video with a like, subscribe to the channel and share with friends. So, look what I will show you. Go to Google Play Market. Then click on your avatar or account. And here, look, we have Play Protection. Here. Click, and you will be surprised. For example, it says to me that these 5 applications were scanned 41 minutes ago and checked, plus 143 more applications. Although I personally did not click anything, did not scan anything. That is, this Play Protection, it is in automatic mode. When it wants, then it scans. Moreover, you yourself understand that this can be either fast or very long, that is, scanning each folder. But you haven't asked yourself why this is done at all. The apps that are in the Google Play Market, they are basically all already rechecked for viruses initially. And in general, I'll show you something now. Look, we'll exit from this setting for now. Now we go to security. And look, there's an antivirus app that is also built into your smartphone. And this is a completely different antivirus app, which, in principle, performs all the same actions. That is, at least you have 2 antiviruses that are running on your smartphone. At the same time, if you go to the settings, it says here that scan the application upon installation. That is, in principle, this is the same thing that Play Protection does. Update automatically, there is root access, there are system updates, and so on. In general, why do I need 2 apps that perform the same action? And, just when your smartphone starts to slow down, maybe your device is being checked by Play Protection, and everything really slows down and lags, because, well, you don't even see it. And those who use personal computers, I think, have encountered the fact that when 2 different antivirus programs are installed on a personal computer, the system perceives them very negatively and you need to delete one of them. In general, look what I do for myself. I just disable these 2 sliders. Here I press disable. Here we confirm our lock screen. Yes, and basically that's it. Yeah,